Chapter 1 Building with Bricks. All of you have must seen the bricks, right? The bricks are used to build houses, tall buildings, etc. But have you ever seen the patterns made with bricks? We get to see such patterns of the bricks in Jagrati school. Let us listen. Hear the story. The school is situated in Murshidabad in the state of West Bengal. It is a true story. When the school was being constructed, it was decided that on the walls of the floor, the patterns of the bricks would be made. Jamal, Kalu and PR were appointed as masons to carry out this task. They wanted to create some novel patterns for the school. Therefore, with the other friends, they went to visit the tomb, Maqbara of Murshid Quli Khan. Observe what is shown here. In this building, there is a big floor on which about 2,000 beautiful brick patterns are made. These patterns were made by the masons long ago, about 300 years back. Observe the patterns on these 5 floors. See how these bricks are arranged. The masons were highly excited. They came back. Jamal said, "Oh, what a wonderful pattern of bricks they have made, and that too in those days. We have forgotten this art. Let's make some beautiful designs of bricks on the floor of the school." Every mason made different pattern. The school is proud of its beautiful building. The patterns made in the school are shown here. Self-study. How to draw a brick. You have drawn various pictures, right? But have you ever drawn a picture of a brick? Here, 2 pictures of a brick are drawn. One of the pictures shows only one face of the brick, and in the other picture, 3 faces of the brick can be seen. Self-study. Looking through a brick. Jali. You can see here the jalis made in the wall by masons who have constructed Jagrati school. Observe them carefully. In both these pictures, we can see different kind of patterns of jalis. How many types of patterns of jalis can you see here? Correct. There are 5 types of jali patterns that we can see. Earlier, we have seen the brick patterns. Jali. Now we will see how windows made up of the bricks. One picture is shown here. The patterns with the edges of the bricks are formed. Now we will see how the patterns with the edges of the bricks are formed. The jali shown here is the one in the wall of a library in Kerala. Look how a triangle of edges of the bricks is made in the wall. Bricks that look like triangles are shown in picture. Have you seen an arch? Oh, not seen? Okay, no problem. Come on, I will show you different houses with arches. Observe these pictures carefully. In every picture, different type of arch is shown. Look at the first picture. We get to see the arch shown here in a school in Faizabad. We get to see the arch shown in the second picture in the construction of a bridge. See this third picture. See how beautifully the arch in the orcha is made. This arch has been given an equally beautiful name, the arch with a veil, Gungat Wali Kaman. The jali of the window shown here is very beautiful. It is made with thin bricks. Have you ever seen thin bricks? We have seen only the regular bricks. But there are many varieties of bricks which are shown here. Jamal and Kalu, the masons of Jagruti school, came to know that their grandfathers, great-grandfathers used to use a variety of bricks. The pictures of these bricks are shown here. Self-study. Find out the size of a brick. The measure of a brick are not fixed. Some are big while some are small. Some are thick, broad, while some are thin, narrow. But the measures of each of these bricks are different. Suppose the length of a brick is 10 cm, its breadth is 5 cm, and height is 3 cm. The measures of the other bricks can be other than these measurements. Ganesh and Saiba live near a kiln where bricks are made. The process of making brick is somewhat like this. The bricks are made from soil and then they are dried. After this, they are baked in a kiln. The chimney of a kiln seen here is about 50 meters tall. Ganesh and Saiba love to watch the pattern of the bricks kept to dry in very long lines, as shown here. For making bricks, first the soil needs to be dug out from the earth. Then it has to be made wet by mixing water in it. Then this wet, muddy soil is placed in rectangular frames. When the soil is dried a bit, it is slowly and carefully removed from the frames. Then these half-dried bricks are arranged in long lines and are allowed to dry. When they are dried, they are baked in the kilns. Example: 4 pictures of the brick kiln are given here. These pictures are jumbled up. Observe them carefully and write the correct order. Solution: the correct order is 3, 4, 2, 1. Have you ever seen a brick kiln? Can you guess the number of the bricks placed in a kiln? In India, there are many brick kilns, thousands of them. There are more than 100,000. 100,000 is also called 1 lakh. We know the biggest 3-digit number is 999. If we add 1 to this number, we get the smallest 4-digit number, that is 1000. Similarly, the biggest 4-digit number is 9999. If 1 is added to it, we get 10,000, which is the smallest 5-digit number. The biggest 5-digit number is 99,999. On adding 1 to this number, we get 1 followed by 5 zeros on it. This number is called 1 lakh. There are 5 zeros in 1 lakh. Self-study. Mental math. Example: if 100 bricks cost rupees 150, what is the cost of 300 bricks? Solution: cost of 100 bricks is rupees 150 is given. We have to find the cost of 300 bricks. We know that 300 bricks is equal to 3 times of 100 bricks. Similarly, we triple the cost of 100 bricks, that is rupees 150. 3 times of rupees 150 is rupees 450. So, the cost of 300 bricks is rupees 450. Example: if 1000 old bricks cost rupees 1200, what is the cost of 500 old bricks? Solution: cost of 1000 old bricks is rupees 1200 is given. We have to find the cost of 500 old bricks. We know that 500 bricks is equal to half of 1000 bricks. Similarly, we halve the cost of 1000 bricks, that is rupees 1200. Half of the cost, rupees 1200, is rupees 600. So, the cost of 500 old bricks is rupees 600. Example: Manu has 500 bricks. He sold them at the rate of rupees 10 for one brick. How much money did he collect? Solution: cost of one brick is rupees 10 is given. We have to find the cost of 500 bricks. To find the answer, we multiply 500 by 10. We get 5000. Therefore, Manu will collect rupees 5000 by selling 500 bricks. Self-study. What we have learned? Patterns made with bricks. How to make bricks. 1 lakh, that is 100,000. With the help of mental math, solve the given illustration.